Hey, I'm Matthew Want, Wants Transport Australia. I'm the owner-operator of this family business. So my day starts at 6 in the morning, checking on where the trucks are, if they're meant to be where they should be. So yeah, it's just making sure everything runs smoothly. We've got 9 of our own trucks, and we've got 5 full-time subcontractors that tow trailers for us. So we've had Lusty EMS in our business from the beginning. We've been in operation for over 30 years, but in the last 6 years we've been only buying Lusty EMS products, and they're running on Hendrickson suspension and axles. So we purchase our products through Trailer Sales, who are part of the Freighter Group. Well, I think the value for money is probably the number one thing that stands out for me. You get what you pay for, and the customer service is great. If we have any issues, which you have if you own trucks, they fix it, and yeah, we've got a good relationship that's been built up over the last especially 6 years. Yeah, we've found the reliability really good. They take a pounding out on our great Australian roads at the moment with the potholes, etc. They stand up to it very well. Yeah, they're a good solid trailer. Yeah, I think the Lusty EMS product matches the profile that wanting to set here with Wants Transport. It's an advertising billboard going down the highway, and I think it stands out certainly with our colour scheme, and Lusty fits right into that mould.